Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to hide and unhide sheet in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have a data. So in this Excel file there are two sheet is available, sheet number 1 and sheet number 2. So here I'm going to hide the sheet number 2. To hide the sheet number 2, just go to the home tab. In cells group, click on the format option. In visibility, click on the hide and unhide. And here third option, hide sheet. Just click on it and here you can see the sheet number 2 is hide. To unhide again, go to the same option in home tab, cells group, click on the format. In visibility, hide and unhide and click on the last option, unhide sheet. And here one dialog box is open, unhide. Unhide one or more sheets. So sheet number 2 only is available here. Select it and click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see the sheet number 2 is unhide. Okay, so this is the way you can hide and unhide the sheet in Excel file. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.